sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Are you looking for a school where your child can grow, shine, and achieve their dreams? Welcome to Lucky Star Educational Center, where excellence begins. We offer top-quality education for learners from playgroup to grade 6, fully CBC compliant and designed to nurture every child's potential. At Lucky Star, your child enjoys modern computer studies with a fully equipped computer lab,
Unenchira yamo yogo kinya ose yogo tanga okwambukira ko iboroire bwenyamore ogose ebinyinyi byenyamore anemono egati yabasae ni gobono omo chief we location ya Keroka Kennedy Ndege aganire abayibori ko baikange abana babo anemono chingaki echiga cherusa kaukwana nabariki bamangana anemono kuro egeta senekege ni goboigo agikiri segi chege nkana gotebanere buya abantu bachamo na gukwana anemono eri ogotiga kuchaba ose goita abaswati
because abana baita bange they don't care, and you see nowadays ekero koligereria gasite yora ebwe nyoro tora akolirwa the correct medical checkup muna jigasi jiali kumune chabasigari. It is a must that you must be taken through that medical care. Wamanyakanyanga medical care abana baito barwarite kare sana abange barwarira out of AIDS because of negligence bagokora mapenzi without even taking knowledge and time which is not there. Nyo waikire age yoko nyoma or make your family. Let's try to take time to talk to our children. Abaiboli manyu mwana oyo ngo bako bakomo nsabu kiare ne nkia koba nkia ko korali tukuligima because abaiboli bande they don't even take care mbali ko banyamwana ya sale abaiboli kisega to bwate to ko manyabana mbali bale na barabo igo na ko sabanga this time ti to feature and kabisa so na ko sabanga kiti yango to tuare jidaro gina wa families otherwise no ma tenga assault cases njiro. When you fight a person and somebody can shoot you, now you go to a problem. You got to tolerance between ourselves. Na ande kende keregi akore les have a daro to isala sa tuakwana na voko nyora ya chikoba makong aetire. Tigango to teme ko konya na mangono yeji paundali. Tigato ligia baka pato konya ni bato nya komyokania mangana chikotin. Tigato ba to bwatera ne tolenga kitoso.
Hagati yaba msebe kaunti ya Kisii bakora wanere boss mairura we wode ya Masimba Thomas Obare obasbo itangare nabo igo Nicodemus mwamba we wode ya bochiburabu nigo baorukire obuhoba nabo gotago kwo kwabo magega y'ikigari cyabo gosagano n'abantu batamanyire iswe y'amagacho y'ebunge ya Kisii bakwana nigo bagikiri getambo egakore ekyo ase boigo mukonyo mugabana moske Elijah Bebo na boigo omonogiri w'ebunge yo omoske Fere Dr. Fere Punyanumba besokia na goteba obutukimbo cyake erimwene kumanya egati yabare bakorete amamo cyayo.
We were in the assembly with a normal plenary session, and my peer told me that we have people who have come, around 20 people who are in masks, and they have destroyed my car, that of Mheshimiwa Obare and Mheshimiwa Omwamba. I just want to call this matter ni woga. This is cowardice of the highest court, and some of us, we are not scared. But as you can see, this is a threat to our lives. Because the security agents, agencies have been here and have made a statement, we want to trust that they will be able to bring this matter to the public so that we know who is behind this ill motive.
What has happened today is an act of cowardice, trying to silence us so that we can stop talking about the level of corruption in our county. But as for the fact that I will be calling out corruption, I will continue calling out corruption.
The only thing I know in Kisii County, I'm elected from Chiburabu, and I've been championing for my people to get the development, which is not there. Any time I put something on development, it's being removed, and it's being removed from executive. So if it's the executive targeting me, my God above will target them first, and I know that. I know the God I believe. The God I believe, even if this is political, but the God I believe, you will receive the result very soon. Thank you.
We'll get to the bottom line and find out who are involved in that heinous act and the motive of the action that has occurred here a few minutes ago. So I just want to assure our members that your safety is secured, and at the end of the day, we'll get to the bottom line of it, and it will be for public consumption. Everybody will know what has transpired.
Moriketo Daniel Yontiri na beka chikambichia ye ansensemeyo roboti yoru Chinsa ibiri na boigo Chinsa inyeche wotko bwarero. Magegaje bikaro emeronkene na bitano na bitatu gose 48 vya jukwaa la usalama kwa era anyemiti nyebere ya itire nigo imambia eritwerera wizara y'oburendi bwime yanano oroboti rwebikarebyo no roboti rurengete gukwanera uburendi anemono Chinsemo imeyensi ya Kenya asabagambi batogegwa azimirimo yabo babere bagakora.
Most of these chiefs are in the forefront. Wanapigana na pombe, mtu ya pombe anawapeleka kotini. Saa zingine wanapigwa na goons wakienda kupigana na pombe. Kuna hata chief alituambia huko Butere alipigwa huko kwa River Nzoia huko akingangana na pombe. Kuna wengine wanaumia wakiwa kwa kupigana na banditry. Your Excellency, we need to improve the compensation that comes to all the chiefs and assistant chiefs who serve in line of duty, and they mean to be compensated in good time.
Chiefs na assistant chiefs wako pale mashinani ndio wanatusaidia na kukusaidia wewe katika kutathmini masuala ambayo yanahusu wananchi pale mashinani na kudhibiti, wakisaidiana na vikosi vya usalama kudhibiti maendeleo ya nchi yetu. They are the eyes and ears of government and of the president at the grassroots. They are the most dependable transmitters of government policy. And Mr. President, the requests that they have made directly through the minister and through their superiors, please, I respectfully request to accommodate the requests of these our brothers and sisters to the farthest extent possible. Because through these people, we can expedite. By empowering these people and this cadre, we can fasten and expedite the transformation of Kenya in the shortest time possible.
Ase ateba abagambia humba chikonyora megiro nabo kukinwa ebirogo muskeruto nigateba mbakinwe ebirogo rimorio ko gochakire tarike yamo mutinyi ogatana narimo omwaka ogocha sateba machikobeka chibesa chiseine ase budget erio bakinwe ebirogo nabali bataranyora megiro banyore amegiro araba konye aso bogambi bwabo.
Kuna mama moja mmesikia amesema pale kwamba Chief, Assistant Chief anaajiriwa miaka 20 baadaye hajaenda course mahali popote. Alitoka tu ile kazi alikuwa anafanya, amekuwa chief hapo, ameendelea na kazi, no training, no promotion, nothing. So wakati hiyo mambo ilifika kwangu, niliambia waziri tutafute pesa mara moja. Wale chiefs na assistants wote ambao walikuwa hawajakuwa trained wamekuwa trained, wa mwisho walitoka jana wakati nilienda pass out yao ya jana. Na sasa hawa wote ambao walipatiwa training na wale wote ambao hawajafanyiwa promotion, everybody is going to be promoted one rank. Ndio. Effective when, waziri? Okay. Tutaweka pesa ya hiyo kazi yote katika budget yetu so that kuanzia tarehe 1 mwezi wa 6 kila mtu apande rangi yake. So wale muli graduate jana na wale wameenda course wote pia mutapandishwa vyeo.
Chinga kiechecho moskeruto nigo akwanira gukinia abanyanyimbo ibirogo anemo no balia baikire emyaka gwetania 50 osego 50 goche igoro ase okwena na transfer ruto nigateba transfer nigo chirache kwena no ase gikagwetania omwaka oyomo nabo igo chinsemo chire chiboto mochando boborendi aba bisabo abanyanyimbo tibakokora mirimo chinsemecho gwetania emyaka 3 nabo igo balia baikire emyaka 50 nigo baraba gwako transfer gochia ange na sobo.
Askari wote wale ni constables. Kama mtu amefikisha miaka 50 na bado yeye ni constable, wote hawa wakuwe promoted. Kwa sababu sasa miaka imesonga, waende nyumbani at least na kakitu, wasipotelee hapo katikati. Na vile on the other ranks tumekubaliana, nimetoa taarifa, we have agreed on all the other ranks, we have agreed on also how they are going to be promoted. Tumekubaliana vile umesikia pale watu wanasema mtu anakuwa transferred leo kutoka hapa kwenda pale, anaenda na watoto kabla hajatafutia shule, anapokuwa promoted anaenda kwa na ile. So tumekubaliana ya kwamba hakuna promotion itafanyika within a year. Transfer. Hakuna mtu atatolewa hapa na kwenda pale kwa sababu wengi wako na watoto. Tutahakikisha kwamba hiyo transfer is sensitive to the social arrangements of the officers. Tumekubaliana vile hakuna officer atafanya kazi in an operation area for more than 3 years. Namna hiyo. Tumekubaliana vile wale askari wamefikisha miaka 50 waanze kupelekwa mahali karibu na nyumbani. safari ya kwenda nyumbani imeanza, lakini sio kwamba waende wazembee huko, waende wachunge maneno kae mzuri.
Togo tiago korera umurai wense nigo akwanire nsemo yogo chenu ase andake abolia abasibwa banyare korikwa asomoro birosha ire serikali enyare kubakanira kibesa chenya gitari gose kibesa kireba kurwarirwa chinga kibaigure mibere yabo bubi.
Kwa mambo ya correctional services tuko na sheria, Mheshimiwa Tongoyo, tuko na sheria na policy ya correctional services. Ni Murugara Murugara. Correctional services bill and policy, probation bill and policy. We want you to complete this in the next 4 months so that we can have a clear policy direction. Tusaidie magereza na wale watu wote wanafanya kazi katika sekta hiyo. We had them speak about them hapo. Vile vile tumekuwa na matatizo na registration ya inmates. So my instructions are that all inmates must be registered in SHA. Ndio wakiwa wagonjwa wanatibiwa bila ya matatizo yoyote. Wafungwa wote wasajiliwe kwa SHA, serikali tutawalipia. Ndio tuhakikisha kwamba wote wanasonga huko. Chiefs wako hapa. Mbali na promotion yenu, mbali na promotion ya assistant chiefs ambao tumekubaliana, pia tumekubaliana ile mambo yenu ya authority to incur expenditure. Na mimi nataka waziri akuje hapa aeleze mwenyewe.
Staika Ikomi sana chabutokire iguriye Chinsa Ikomi chabono morogobu mwanche murigereria nara yekore Ekeonga Chinsa Ikomi asenchira yobwenge korenda yomone yanda mange nibere nabo igonya chibotko bwarero nere Harun oto nyangiri njengora wakati Nyaboga Vanessa Nyaboga kuraso munabo imanyirio Kevin Ongeri kuro studio ya kamera kwa nakebuna chibichechi na marengo ikirachira senchira yobo ikranu twarobori borobia tumira neri tkoria alhamis genda kubwate nabo yego chengira emirobiri yonse ya Getembe TV unera agendere kugochira ase embeo.
Unatafuta shule bora itakayomjenga, kumlea na kumwendeleza mtoto wako? Karibu Lucky Star Educational Center, mahali ambapo elimu bora inaanzia. Tunatoa elimu ya kiwango cha juu kuanzia playgroup hadi grade 6 tukiwa CBC compliant na tukilenga kukuza uwezo wa kila mwanafunzi. Lucky Star inajivunia mafunzo ya kompyuta katika maabara ya kisasa, chess, karate na swimming kukuza akili, nidhamu na ujuzi wa kuogelea, usafiri wa uhakika na salama kwa wanafunzi wote, ada nafuu na zinazolipika, madarasa mapana na ya kisasa, walimu waliobobea, waliofunzwa na wenye ari ya kufundisha, mazingira tulivu na rafiki kwa kujifunzia, vifaa vya kutosha vya kufundisha na kujifunzia. Usaili na usajili wa Januari unaendelea. Mlete mwanao katika shule inayojali mustakabali na mafanikio yake. Tunapatikana Kisii Town, eneo la Jogoo, kando ya barabara ya Kisii Nyamira, mkabala na Kenya Power Substation. Kwa maelezo zaidi piga 0715245923 au 0719 594048. Lucky Star Educational Center, kituo cha umahiri.
Zuku, home of quality entertainment with reliable internet and affordable satellite TV across the country. For $29.99, get your satellite TV dish and decoder with strong signal. Enjoy crystal clear channels, kids shows, sports, local dramas, Nollywood, Nat Geo, and more for $4.50 per month.
Esukuru ya Kitutu Masaba Technical and Vocational College igego kwarigania ase intake ya January eyu ebwata chikosi ao bunabono Agricultural and Environment Studies, Mechanical and Automotive Engineering, Refrigeration and Air Conditioning, Welding and Fabrication na wigo ase ensema ya Building and Civil Engineering, nkwegeri bale Plumbing, Masonry, Carpentry and Joinery, Building Technology, Civil Engineering na wigo